Welcome. In front of me I have CUBOT X18, and today I will show you how you can activate Hey Google voice command on the smartphone. You have to open an application, Google application, then go for the more, find settings, then click on voice and tap on the voice match. Right now find Hey Google, click on the switcher, and then click on the voice model. Click here to retrain voice model. Right now we have to say OK Google for the 2 times. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. And the last one, Hey Google. Click finish. And right now when you say Hey Google or OK Google, your assistant will be activated. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.